Good day, everyone. Today we're going to be doing January 2018, number 2, paper 2. January 2018, number 2. Given that a asterisk b means a, the square root of a plus 4b, where the positive root is taken. When they say the positive root is taken, that just means that, let's say the square root of 49, right? The square root of 49, we usually say is 7, but that's not it. It's positive 7 as well as negative 7, because if you multiply positive 7 by positive 7, you will get positive 49. Negative 7 by negative 7 is also positive 49. So when you find the square root, it's actually two answers that you get. That is just that we take into preference the positive. So when they say where the positive root is taken, it's just that they're telling you you're taking your positive numbers, right? Find the value of 1 asterisk 2. So if we say a asterisk b and 1 asterisk 2 and we compare it, we can say a is equals to 1 and b is equal to 2. So therefore, 1 asterisk b would be the square root of, instead of a, you put 1 plus 4 by b, which is 2. So this is the square root of 1 plus 4 2s are 8, right? So that's the square root of 9, which is 3. So it could be positive 3 or negative 3, but they said the root is taken. So it will be 3, and that would be your answer for this question. Whether the operation denoted by the star is commutative, justify. State whether the operation denoted by this is commutative, right? Commutative means it does not matter the order in which you do the operation, you're supposed to get the same answer. So what we could say is 1 asterisk 2 is equals to 3. Let's rearrange it. 2 asterisk 1. Right, let's see if we still get 3. That is the square root of, remember, a would now be 2 and b is 1. So that is 2 plus 4 by 1. Right, that is the square root of 2. 4 by 1 is 4 plus 4, 4, 5, 6. So the actual root of 6. Square root of 6 is not equals to 3. So that is basically how you denote. So it is what we say it is, not commutative, because commutative just means it does not matter the order in which we carry out the operation, you're supposed to get the answer. But we can say that is not commutative. Why? Because a asterisk 2 is not equal to 2 asterisk 1, right? It's not the same thing. We're getting two completely different answers, okay? And that is how you would do that question. Solve the inequality. So when they say solve the inequality, it just means we have to solve for x. So anytime they see the word solve, you need to think about it like, what is the unknown that we have there? The unknown is x. So basically, we have to solve for x, right? Right, so the question is 3, this, no, it's minus. Three minus 2x 5, right, is more than 5. So we're basically going to make x the subject. We're going to, first off, we always like our unknown to be positive. Not so. So we're going to carry across minus 2x over the equal sign, or over the inequality sign. So it's going to be 3 is, I want to say more than 5 plus 2x. Then you're going to carry across 5 over the equal sign. So it's going to be 3 minus 5x, right? 2x. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Now, I don't want to say less than, because whenever, oh, hold on, let's carry across, multiply by 2. That is minus 2 over 2, right? So that's minus 1x, right? The reason I don't want to say the sign is we always read from the letter, right? So that means we're reading backwards. So this is now going to be x is not more than, but less than -1, right? And that would be your solution for this one, right? They said represent the answer in part B on your number line. So we are going to look for -1, and we're saying is less than. What are the values less than? We're going that direction, right? So that is how you would represent it on a number line. You do not shade the circle. If this was equal to, then you would shade the circle, but it's an empty circle pointing in the direction of what is less than -1. All right, let's do, is this the last one? It is. Let's read the statement. 1, 2 adults and 3 tickets cost 43. So let's write that. 2A for 2 adults plus 3C for 3 children is equals to 43. 1 adult, let me write that here. 2A plus 3C is equals to 43. And 1A plus 1C is equals to 1850. All right. Then we read underneath here, let X represent the cost of adults and Y represent the cost of children. So write two inequalities in X and Y to represent the information above, right? Two equations, not inequalities, two equations. So wherever we saw A, you're going to put X, and where we see children, you're going to put, Y. So it will be 2x plus 3y is equals to 43, and x plus y is equals to 1850. And that would be your two equations. This is equation 1 and equation 2. Solve the equation to determine the cost of an adult. Right? So we are going to basically solve this simultaneous equation. And you can use whichever method you want, but for this one, because I'm seeing x or y, the coefficient is 1, I'm going to use the substitution method, not the elimination method, right? So it's 2x plus 3y is equals to 43. That's equation 1. Then x plus y is equals to 1850. That's equation 2. Then from equation 2, you make x the subject, so x would be equals to 1850 minus y. That is equation 3. So wherever you see x, you put in this. So that's 2 open bracket 1850 minus y. Oh gosh, hold on. Why do I have that bracket there? Minus y plus 3y is equals to 43. Right, so 2 by 1850 is 37 minus 2y plus 3y is equals to 43. So that's 37 plus y is equals to 43. So now y is equals to 43. We carry across plus 37 over the equal sign, I'll turn to minus 37, sorry. So y is equal to 6, right? And then you substitute y is equals to 6 into equation. Any equation you're using, but I'm going to use this equation, which is equation 3, because equation 3 tells us what x is equal to. So x is equals to 1850 minus y, which is minus 6. So x is equals to 1250. Right? So what is y? So y, solve for one adult. You didn't even need to do this. Adult is, what did they say adult is? Adult is x, right? Oh, yes, you didn't need to. Right? So x is equals to $12.50. $12.50 for one adult ticket. Right? And if they ask you for what was the cost of a child ticket, that was $6. right? And that is how you would do this question, right? And that is the end of January 2018.